Here's another very interesting revolver. This is a Dan Wesson. This is a Dan Wesson that I was told was made for, it was factory engraved and made for like a SHOT Show type display to show how nicely done their engraving is at Dan Wesson. And there is no paperwork or documentation on this, but it is a spectacular gun, as you can see. Wonderful engraving, very nice, nicely done. Documentation on Dan Wesson firearms is very sketchy because the company got sold off several times and they weren't as well documented as like Colt or Smith & Wesson. So this is what we have. It is a beauty. If you're a Dan Wesson collector, this is probably one of the most stunning Dan Wessons I've ever seen. So have a great day.